head into this video. Alright, so I've already done my brows, and of course you can check out my brow tutorials on my channel. Use a regular blending brush to put some brown on my eyes. I'm gonna be using brown from the Modern Matte palette. I'm gonna be using this brown. And it's for this reason, guys, why you need to brush your brush off before just applying makeup to your eyes, because it was just too heavy right here. So I'm just warming up my eyes a little bit. I'm not doing much for my transition, just some brown. I'm gonna be using my same Fawn concealer to cut my crease. And I'll be applying some gold on here. I'm gonna use some gold from my Masquerade palette. So I'm about to use this gold glitters over this. I'm using my glitter primer. And I put it everywhere that I want to put glitters. I'm gonna go in with my glitters right now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I applied my lashes off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my liner right above the lash line. just for everything to blend in seamlessly, the lashes and the liner. We'll be color correcting using my orange corrector from LA Girls. My forehead looks darker than usual. I just use my finger to blend that out and evenly over my skin. Like, I see some spots here, like, I wonder if I'm the only one who notices beauty spots just appear on your skin sometimes. Let me hear it in the comments if you're one of those people who beauty spots usually appears on your skin out of nowhere. Like when I just started watching YouTube, there was this YouTuber who I'd always loved watching. I still love to watch her, but you know, with YouTube, where when you don't watch a certain person for a period of time, then the new contents that you start watching, that's all you keep seeing on your feed. I guess that is what happened with her. I don't get to see videos from her popping up. I'd have to go through my subscriptions to find her. But this is how she usually applies her foundation, you know. She uses her fingers. You know, like, I really admire that about her. Using her fingers. Like, I don't think I could apply my foundation using my fingers, but for everything else, like the corrector just now, or to blend out my concealer on my eyes, I'd usually use my fingers. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline Super Stay in the shade 356 Warm Coconut. And I'm using a brush. This brush came in a Forever 21 set to apply my foundation. I'm just taking it down a little bit on my neck, just to blend it in with my neck. Just putting a little bit more foundation on my face. Alright, so I'm gonna be using some Cool Tan. Have to be really light-handed with the Cool Tan because it is it's like 2 shades lighter. It's like more than 2 shades lighter than my skin. My face is turning out perfect, so I'm in a good mood. Alright, so I'm using my black Radiance. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. This is my final look. I was in such a playful mood though. In Jamaica they say you take bad things make joke. That is basically what I was doing here, because usually I'd be so upset when my house is noisy and I'm recording. However, I just played it off this time and went along with the flow, and the look turned out great and I was in a good mood. You know, I did these butterfly locks though in a previous video on my channel, so please do check that out. Guys, thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl for more bomb videos like this one. Okay, bye guys, thank you so much for watching. No, I am not done. Listen, my reason for even doing this voiceover at the end of this video is to tell you that, guys, whenever you're going through a rough, tough, bad or sad situation, just make the very best of it, or at least try to. Whenever life throws you lemon, what do? Make lemonade. Peace out, guys. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye. Subscribe, share, comment, like. Bye.